Heathrow Director, speedbird 6 Victor Kilo is ready for push and start, stand 501.
Speedbird 6 Victor Kilo, stand 501, push and start approved, face east.
Face east, push and start approved, speedbird 6 Victor Kilo.
Lot 2 November Mike, ready to taxi to runway 27 left.
Lot 2 November Mike, taxi Lima, hold November Bravo 3.
Taxi via Lima, hold November Bravo 3, lot 2 November Mike.
Speedbird 46 Kilo, runway 27 right, clear to land, wind 270 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear to land, runway 27 right,
Speedbird 40, contact ladder control, 129.425.
29.45,
Director, Speedbird 76 Victor, taxi to the gate, stand 520 if available, please.
Speedbird 76 Victor, taxi right Alpha. Sorry, do you say you guys are preferred to stand?
520 if available, please.
Speedbird 76 Victor, roger, taxi right Alpha, Yankee, stand 520.
Right Alpha, then right Alpha, right Yankee and stand 520, Speedbird 76 Victor, thank you.
Director, Shuttle 6 Juliet, stand 505, ready for push and start.
Shuttle 6 Juliet to stand by.
Roger, stand by.
Speed 6 Victor Kilo, you're ready for taxi.
Lot 2 November Mike, holding short of runway 27 left.
Lot 2 November Mike, runway 27 left. Clear takeoff, wind 270 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27 left, lot 2 November Mike.
Heathrow Director, speedbird 6 Victor Kilo, ready to taxi.
Speed 6 Victor Kilo, taxi left, aggression right Alpha, hold Lowman.
Minimum.
Taxi right Alpha, when speed 6 Victor Kilo.
Shuttle 6 Juliet, after the company A320 passes right to left, stand 505, push and start approved, face east.
push start approved facing east after the company A320 passes from my right to left, shuttle 6 Juliet.
Heathrow hello, tower 238, 12,500 for flight level 090.
Tower 238, Heathrow descent, flight level 80.
D7 flight level 80, tower 238.
Spirit 677, Heathrow Director, hello, descent, flight level 90. Tower 238, leave, begin heading 360 degrees.
Leave begin heading is 360 degrees, tower 238.
Spirit 677, leave Lambourne, heading 210 degrees. Spirit 677, leave Lambourne, heading 210 degrees. Speedbird 677, Heathrow Director. Liberty 5, not sure if you didn't see my last calls. Speedbird 677, descend flight level, correction, leave Bovington, sorry, correction, leave Lambourne, heading 210 degrees. Spin for whiskey, first right, then hold November Bravo 3.
First right, November Bravo 3, speed with 4 whiskey, and we're fully ready on reaching.
Spin 4 whiskey, roger, runway 27 left, cleared takeoff, wind 270 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear takeoff, 27 left, speed with 4 whiskey.
Speedbird 46 kilo, taxi right, Alpha, left, Charlie, stand 542.
That's right Alpha, left Charlie for Speedbird 46 kilo, stand 542. Thank you, sir.
Requesting higher altitude.
Lot 2 November Mike, squawk mode Charlie.
Can you repeat, please?
Lot 2